In the automobile manufacturing process, welding is a vital process. The FAIT machinery Supersonic Welding Machine will provide a more efficient and reliable solution for processing your automotive parts. The Supersonic Welding Machine is an advanced welding equipment that uses ultrasonic waves generated by high-frequency vibration to quickly heat the surface of components to achieve efficient and high-quality welding. You can achieve fast welding and improve production efficiency using our supersonic welder. At the same time, due to the characteristics of the ultrasonic waves, it can reduce oxidation and deformation problems and improve welding quality. The operation of the supersonic welder is simple and flexible, so both beginners and experienced workers can get started quickly. Customized molds ensure that welded parts are accurate. The molds can be easily switched out to adapt to different production needs. Using FAIT machinery's welding machine for welding can ensure the stability and reliability of welding quality. Due to its high production efficiency, production costs can be reduced. FAIT machinery's products are constantly evolving to provide you with the most suitable products. Choose us to take your products to the next level.